Hello students, in this video we will be learning how to represent root 9.3 on our number line. So before do that construction, just take out a scale and measure it 9.3 centimeter. How much you gonna measure it? 9.3. Yes, you listen correctly. That is 9.3 centimeter. After measuring 9.3, from there I'll take 1 centimeter extra just to understand that I'm taking 1 centimeter extra. I gotta write that line with different ink. So this is 9.3 with the black ink and this 1 centimeter extra. So till you're gonna draw the line till 10.3 centimeter and mark it. Okay. So this till 9.3 I'm gonna mark it. The point has A. Okay, and at the 10.3 9.3 को हम A mark करेंगे. At the 10.3 we're gonna mark it as B. We're gonna mark it as B. Remember that. Okay. Now use your scabbard, that is compass. Place it at one end of the line, and measure it more than half. More than half से measure करो. After measuring more than half, draw two arcs, one above the line and one below the line. So likewise you are gonna draw the two arcs. This was one arc which have been drawn above the line and one more below the line. So एक arc ऊपर और एक arc नीचे. With the same measurement से हम इस skyward का point change करेंगे. We'll take it other end of the line. With the same measurement, we're gonna cut these two arcs. Same way below, cut it. Okay. This much is enough for us. Okay. Now why we are trying? Why we need a central line? Why we need a central line? Just to identify the midpoint of this line. Just to identify the midpoint of this line, because we know it is total. It is 10.3. 10.3 का आधा होता है 5 point how much? 10.3 का आधा होता है 5.15. Okay, which is not available in our scale. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna do this kind of a construction to get to know the central point, that is the midpoint of this line. Okay, so using a scale, join these two arcs. Join these two arcs. Okay, that's it. Okay, so as you know, as we got it our center point of this line, so from there what we're gonna draw the semicircle. So again, take this scabbard, place it at this point and take it to one end of this line. Okay, so we took it to one end of the line and just draw it your scabbard and draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle. Your semicircle should touch this both the point. Keep it in mind. Now again, exactly it should touch this point, which is at point B. And what is the distance of B? That is 10.3. Our A point is 9.3. Remember that one. So this is our semicircle. As you can see, we got it our semicircle directly, exactly on our point B. Thoda sa point 1, point 2 difference ज़्यादा चलेगा. No problem, not an issue. Okay. So now what we're gonna do? So from using our scale, so from the point A we're gonna draw the perpendicular line, that is 90 degree. Actually we need to draw it by the protractor, but हमें पता है अगर straight line रहा तो automatically वो क्या रहेगा? Okay, अगर straight line रहा तो naturally वो क्या रहेगा? 90 degree रहेगा. So what I'm gonna do, without using any protractor, I'm gonna use our scale and I'm gonna draw the straight line. That should be how much, 90 degree. Okay, this is a straight line, and obviously अगर line straight है तो कितना रहेगा? Obviously 90 degree रहेगा. Okay, not to worry much. Again, just take out your scabbard, place it at the point of A, and just measure it till. Okay, let me adjust it. Okay, it got adjusted. Now, just measure till this point, till this point. measure till this point. Okay, we're going to change our ink. Now lock it and just draw an arc till you're going to meet this line. Okay, so ये है हमारा arc. अब ये कंपास का कोई काम नहीं है, so what you're going to do, just take your scale, extend this line, extend it, that's all, just extend it, okay, okay, so this arc, it is touching to this point of the line, number line, so this point will represent as 9.3. And this is how we have to represent root 9.3 on our number line. So this point you can mark it as point C. Okay. So first you will draw 9.3. There you're gonna mark it as a point A. From there you have been drawn 1 centimeter extra. There you're gonna mark it as a point B. So हमें लेने more than half of 10.3. Keep it in mind. That's why I did not draw the line bigger, because you may confuse it while drawing a semicircle. Okay, that's it. This is the way you have to represent our 9.3 on our number line. If any doubt in between this construction, you can comment it down in comment section. So thank you all for watching the video.